Hello all, Mark Channon here, author of How to Remember Anything and the Memory Workbook. In front of us we have the Memory Workbook Burnup chart. So if you're here, you've most likely got the Memory Workbook and you're looking at page XVI. And you're wondering, what is this burnup chart and how does it work? Well, here it is. It's nice and simple, and it's really a way to track your progress as you go through the memory workbook, and it's a little bit of a motivation tool as well. Now, there are 104 exercises in the memory workbook, and so if we look at this chart here, you will notice on the left hand side you have numbers that go all the way up to 105. This blue line represents 104, so this is where you need to get to complete all 104 exercises. If we look at this grey line, this is the estimated trajectory if you were to complete this workbook within 6 weeks. And you'll see along the bottom here are the number of days: 7 days, 14 days, 21, 28, 35 and 42. So if you were to complete all the activities in 6 weeks, this grey line would represent the trajectory. Right, so let me show you how you put this into practice. When you go to the data sheet over here, all you have to do is, as you finish a day, you just write down the number of exercises that you've worked through. So let's say on day 1 you just did 1 exercise, and let's say you did that 1 exercise every day for a week. When we go to the burnup chart, we can see that it started to chart your progress. Now, you can also see that you are below the trajectory. So it's going to be more challenging for you to finish it within that 6-week period. Really, what you're going to probably want to aim for is between 2 and 3 activities per day. And if we do this, we'll see that now you're much closer and on track to complete the whole workbook within 6 weeks. Now, obviously, some days you may not do anything, so we put a little 0 in here, and this is the only column you have to fill in, by the way. And there'll be some days, maybe it's the weekend or something, you might do 5 exercises, or maybe even 6. Who knows? So when we look at the burnup chart again, you can see there wasn't a lot happening here, but then you had a bit of a spike, and you're coming back on track. So it tracks your progress, but also it's a little bit of a motivation tool. I hope you find it useful. If you do, give me a shout and let me know. Thanks very much. Hopefully, see you soon.